2024 and 2025 have rewritten everything we thought we knew about space exploration. What you're about to discover will change how you see the universe above us. These aren't science fiction fantasies. These are real events that happened while you were living your everyday life. Prepare to have your mind blown. Fact 1. The space highway is real. Imagine if I told you that in 2025, one single company would launch a rocket into space almost every 2 days. You'd call me crazy, right? But that's exactly what's happening. SpaceX isn't just launching rockets anymore. They're building a highway to space. In 2024, they shattered records with 134 launches. But 2025, they're aiming for 170. Let that sink in. Every 48 hours, a massive rocket tears through the atmosphere, carrying satellites, supplies, and dreams into the cosmos. But here's where it gets absolutely insane. SpaceX now controls approximately 90% of the entire world's payload mass going into orbit. 90%. One company, one vision. They've essentially become the FedEx of space, the delivery service for humanity's cosmic ambitions. And the money? A projected $15.5 billion in revenue for 2025. Space isn't just exploration anymore. It's big business. It's an industry. It's the new gold rush, except instead of gold, we're mining the infinite potential of the universe itself. Fact 2. We found a cosmic messenger. January 2025, astronomers detect something extraordinary, something that doesn't belong in our solar system. Meet 3I Atlas, an interstellar comet, the third confirmed visitor from another star system we've ever detected. Think about what that means. This rock, this frozen time capsule, has been traveling through the void between stars for possibly millions of years. It was born in the orbit of a star we've never seen, in a planetary system we may never reach, and it just drifted into our neighborhood. Scientists are absolutely losing their minds over this because comets like 3I Atlas carry materials from their home systems. It's like receiving a letter from an alien world, not written by intelligent beings, but by the universe itself. Every molecule, every element tells us about star formation, planet birth, and cosmic chemistry light years away. These interstellar visitors are incredibly rare. We've only confirmed 3 in all of human history, and each one rewrites our textbooks.
Fact 3. 6,000 new worlds. Right now, as you're watching this, there are over 6,000 confirmed worlds orbiting distant stars. 6,000 alien planets we know exist. NASA's Exoplanet Archive crossed this milestone recently. And here's the kicker. The new discoveries aren't just random distant rocks. They're orbiting brighter stars. Why does that matter? Because brighter host stars are like cosmic spotlights. They allow us to actually study these planets in detail. We can analyze their atmospheres, detect water vapor, measure temperatures, even search for biosignatures. Some of these worlds are ocean planets. Some are scorching hot Jupiters orbiting closer to their stars than Mercury. Others are frozen wastelands beyond imagination. And somewhere in that catalog of 6,000 worlds, there might be another Earth. Fact 4. NASA's secret weapon. While everyone watches the big rockets, NASA has been quietly deploying their secret weapon, sounding rockets. In 2024 alone, NASA launched 14 of these incredible machines. But what are they? Sounding rockets are small, fast, and brilliant. They shoot straight up, punch through the atmosphere above 100 kilometers, and for just a few precious minutes, they collect data that satellites can't get and balloons can't reach. They're studying the edge of space itself, the ionosphere, space weather, the mysterious region where Earth's atmosphere dissolves into the cosmic void. This is where solar storms hit us, where communication satellites operate, where the rules change. Each mission lasts minutes, but the data, it advances our understanding of Earth's atmosphere and space lines by years. It's fast, efficient, and absolutely crucial for protecting our technology in orbit.
Fact 5. Climate change in space. Here's something that'll blow your mind. Climate change isn't just affecting Earth's surface, it's reaching into space. As CO2 rises into the upper atmosphere, it radiates heat away into space, causing these high-altitude regions to actually get colder. And this has massive consequences. Satellites orbit through this zone. Radio communications bounce off it. GPS signals travel through it. As the ionosphere cools and contracts, satellite orbits shift. Communication patterns change. We're literally watching climate change reshape the space environment. It's a reminder that Earth and space aren't separate worlds. They're connected. What we do down here ripples upward into the cosmos. Fact 6. The asteroid nobody saw coming. Late 2024. Astronomers discover asteroid 2024 YR4. Size? Somewhere between 30 and 65 meters across. Now, before you panic, it's not hitting us. But here's what's terrifying. we only just found it. Space rocks this size are city killers, and they're still sneaking past our detection systems. There are thousands, possibly millions of these objects crossing Earth's orbit that we haven't cataloged yet. Every near-Earth asteroid we discover is a reminder. Space isn't just the final frontier. Fact 7. Starship's beautiful failures. May 2025, the world watches as SpaceX's Starship, the largest rocket ever built, lights up the Texas sky for its 9th test flight. It's magnificent, 120 meters tall, more powerful than the Saturn V that took humans to the moon. This isn't just a rocket, it's a skyscraper that flies. The ascent is perfect. Starship reaches space, then comes re-entry, and it breaks apart. Spectacular, catastrophic, beautiful. But here's what most people don't understand. This isn't failure. This is progress. Every test pushes boundaries. SpaceX is doing what NASA used to do in the 1960s, testing at the edge of possible, learning from destruction, building better. Starship isn't just about satellites. It's about Mars colony, moon bases, making humanity a multi-planetary species. And yes, sometimes dreams explode, but they also eventually soar. July 2025. NASA launches TRACERS, a mission that sounds like science fiction, but is absolutely real. TRACERS stands for Tandem Reconnection and Cusp Electrodynamics Reconnaissance Satellites. It's a mission to study one of the most violent phenomena in space, magnetic reconnection. Picture Earth surrounded by an invisible shield, our magnetic field. Now imagine the sun hurling billion-ton clouds of charged particles at us. When they hit, magnetic field lines snap, reconnect, and release enormous energy. This is magnetic reconnection, and it's why we have auroras. But it's also why satellites fail, power grids overload, and astronauts face radiation dangers. Because in our satellite-dependent world, space storms aren't just pretty lights, they're technological disasters waiting to happen.